I heard alarms go off in the houses by my tree, while people with hair like my nest, put together but not perfect, walked out the front door to grab the morning paper, while I sat in my nest, listening to my siblings call me to fly. My brain was filled with noise. I start screaming out as loud as my voice can carry. I look down from the nest, realizing the view is straight down. I won't float like a feather if I fall. There was a little girl with parents staring up at me. I hid behind a leaf, but they still called up, "Little bird, you sing pretty." I began to see the little girl's face. From the part of the leaf a bug ate through. I saw the mother pull out a camera and ask me to sing again. I wasn't asked to move. I wasn't asked to leave. I wasn't told to just do it. It was easy. I began to sing, felt the sky send a breeze, an ocean splash awakening me. Yes, there was no water, but music that I produced, realizing I can do something. I tilted my head up. I began to fly, only noticing when I felt the twigs holding the nest together press against my feet. "Little bird, you're flying," I heard the father say. It reminded me, others will come when you call out for help. I began to fly to my family, who was in a tree across the street. When I arrived, I met new birds. We all began to chirp. I turned back at the little girl walking away. I don't know why, I felt attached. I felt like she needed to sing, but thought her voice was not strong enough. I flew over to her. She smiled up at me. She let me know she sings too when her mind gets loud. It was then I knew, even though other birds made me feel like my mind was too much, this human gets me. She understands the weight of being told it is something I can control. It is something I can learn. It is something I am in charge of, as if it was only a small change, like just to drink more water. Today, my brain noise helped me meet a little girl and her family who looked at me like I had courage, like I knew my worth, like I had something to offer, instead of being the one who feels in need of constant help. I made the little girl smile. I made her family stop and enjoy me singing, as they all seemed to be thinking. For days, I have seen humans walk these streets. They're always moving, always talking, always thinking they can do better. I don't speak human, but I speak for everyone who wants to say, "Enough, you are adding to my brain noise." I don't want to be alone in the nest. I just am glad that family chose to wait for me. They didn't just walk past me like the others. They didn't just dismiss me as a little bird talking to friends. They didn't leave me because of why most birds sing. They allowed me to realize I don't have to say I am not afraid. I can say this is scary. Can you wait for me? Can you help me? Can you sing with me? Can you learn my favorite song? Can I help you watch for danger? As I have something to offer in exchange for my tendency to always be on alert. I don't have to be stuck, saying I'm only a bird. No, I am a bird who spoke fear to bring courage to fly today. I saw the little girl read a poem as I flew high in the sky. She began to let her voice carry through windows of homes where people opened doors, walking towards her as she realized she was not lost. She was on a path just like me.